The Griffiths Gnat is a simple and effective dry fly that anyone can tie. To start, secure a streamer hook firmly in your vise. Then grab some black thread and tie in just behind the hook eye, continuing to the hook point before snipping the excess free. Next, grab a few strands of Peacock Herl and secure firmly to the hook. Then grab some Grizzly Hackle, strip off the fluff, and tie in at the back of the hook. And while this isn't required, I like to add some super glue to this fly for extra durability. Now advance your thread and twist up the Peacock Herl before taking touching wraps all the way up the hook shank. Then capture and snip the excess free. Now before wrapping your hackle feather, crease the stem by bending it forward parallel to the hook. This will help the fibers point straight out as you make close open spirals up the hook shank. Now capture the feather and snip the excess free. Or if you want to show off, snap it off like this. Now gently preen the feathers back and build up a small head. Then make a 4 to 5 turn whip finish and snip your tying thread. Then trim off any trapped fibers. Finally, brush out your fly with a soft bristle brush, add a drop of head cement, and give the hook a flick to clear out any cement in the hook eye. If you enjoyed this content, consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching.